How to get iOS 13 beta profile on your iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, and once the Apple has released iOS 13 publicly. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So you guys need to go to the beta program of Apple. Just tap on it and make sure you need to go to the your iOS that you have on your iPhone. So make sure you go to the this, you can see here, just tap on this coming soon. Here you can see Apple beta program software. So just tap on this and go to, so here you can see you have enroll your devices. Just tap on enroll your devices. Now make sure you are on iOS. If you are on iPhone, iPad, or whatever, so make sure you are on iOS. So this is an method that you can install iOS 13 beta profile once the Apple release iOS 13 publicly. So here you can see, just you guys need to download the profile and make sure you are you need to also sign in with your Apple ID. So just click on download profile. Here you can see, wait for a few seconds. So just tap on allow and you can see profile downloaded. So now just need go to the setting, go to the general, scroll down until you see profile and device management. And guys, you can see it is iOS 12, but you can see that it will soon, once iOS 13 is released, it will download iOS 13, not iOS 12. So this is just it's showing iOS 12. So don't worry for that, it's iOS 12. It will install iOS 13 once iOS 13 publicly released by Apple, and you will get iOS 13. So just tap install and type your passcode, and here you can see it is a pre-release software. And don't worry, it is not iOS 12. Because iOS 12 is publicly released, so it will download. But once iOS 13 will release, you're gonna have iOS 13 in profile installed on your iPhone. Just tap on install and you guys will go, and you have restart your, please restart your iPhone to apply changes. So I hope you enjoy my video. Make sure you are smash that like button, and I will catch you in the next video. And please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.